And we have a little bitty patch here. We got some garlic here. And then these guys are potato onions. Right here are some spring onions. Now I want to pull these potato onions up because I only planted one little bitty onion here last fall in August. And it has divided since August through the winter last winter and into spring. And I want to break these apart and replant them and see if they turn into anything large enough to harvest. So I'm going to pull these out. That's all they are, just little shoots. And I know these are potato onions. That's what they divided into. One little potato onion that I planted in August, it divided into these 5 little onion shoots. Now I'm going to plant them again and see if they'll bulb up and give us a normal potato onion. Let's see what this is right here. These are a little bit bigger. It looks like a garlic right there. Yeah, look at that. This is kind of soft. I don't know how these are going to go. That one feels good. It's got kind of a soft top to it. I'm not going to plant these here that are softer. I'll put those in the compost. And these are onions, just regular spring onions. I might as well harvest these out of here and we'll plant something else in there. I'll eat them for breakfast tomorrow. We got a dandelion growing, I could probably harvest some of that. Okay. That looks pretty cool. And we'll go ahead and plant them in this circle bed. Okay, I'm gonna go with it, see what happens. Interesting experiment. I like experiments that keeps my interest high in my garden. Okay.